everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel TrackZat Turning Problems into Solutions. This is me Priyasha Das and this is the part 3 of the core concept videos on PNC. So if you haven't visited part 2 and part 1, I strongly recommend you to first go through the two parts and then come and watch this part, because these are all in an order, and if you go through in the order you will realize that by the time I've finished the core concepts you will be able to solve more than 90% of questions from whichever book you are referring to right now for your preparation. So this is the part 3. Don't forget to check out the part 1 and 2 either in the I button at the top or in the description box or the first comment maybe. I'm not sure what I'm going to do next. But whatever the case is, this is the part 3, and in this part 3 हम लोग पढ़ेंगे regarding and or. Sounds very easy, right? हमने बहुत पहले स्कूल में, I think those who have even not taken mathematics in their 11 12 would have studied this long back कि and और or में difference क्या होता है. And is where is which we call as the multiplication, right? And is where we add like we have multiplication, and or is where we have addition. और computer वाले बच्चे अगर होंगे यहाँ then they must be knowing this, because logic gates, electrical, electronics, I'm just talking about engineering. यहाँ पे मत आओ. Non-engineers are exactly the same here in the same page, because and or में difference सबको पता होता है. And का मतलब होता है when I consider both the situations together, this is also called the multiplication rule, जिसे हम I am just denoting it with a multiplication sign, and or is the addition rule, which is plus. Okay. Now for and or, you must be seeing very basic questions come, like if you are selecting a king from a deck of cards and a queen, what is the probability, or stuffs like that. Okay, this is more of a probability oriented thing, but you need to know it in permutation combination also, because it's important. All right. And for or में हमें क्या करना है, when the condition is either a king or a queen, that means आप कोई भी एक उठा सकते हो, there is not a necessity. Okay, so this is or. Now I'll tell you how it makes a difference. Okay, how it makes a difference. First of all, easy example. Easy example is from a deck of cards. I know that from a deck of cards, I have 4 kings and I have 4 queens in a card, right? So if I say that find out the probability of finding a king and a queen. So the probability of king and means multiplication. So king and queen will be 16. But if I take the probability of or king or queen, then the probability will be 4 plus 4, that is 8. Okay. So this is something basic and easy to understand. But we'll be now moving further with a very conceptual diagrammatic representation of and or. Okay. So I'll tell you, while the kids do it, I have seen many kids do this question. Okay, kids, I mean very small, like standard 3 to standard 4 5. Okay, now this is the second point, this is the first point. So this is point A, this is point B, and this is point C. Okay, now don't worry, they will not give you a diagram like this and they'll ask you. Of course not. Maths is made complex only when we turn the numbers into words. Okay, and trust me, mathematics is introduced in our life just to make the things easier. And how will it make it easier? When we convert the words into numbers, because dealing with numbers is easier than dealing with the words. Okay, all right. So they will not give you this diagram. What they will give you is a very long story about a newspaper vendor traveling from point A to point C via point B. ठीक है, तो बहुत एक लंबी सी कहानी होगी. I don't really want to bore you by saying this story, because you will already get bored when you will give the question, like get the questions of quant section of ZAT, because ZAT की ये speciality है that they will extend the real question into such a long story कि आप पढ़ते पढ़ते ही बोर हो जाओगे, आप solve क्या करोगे. So when you know that this is the strategy by ZAT, crack the strategy. No, जब हमें पता ही चल गया कि सामने वाला क्या करने वाला है, then why can't we easily get, like, rule out the strategy from the opposite end. Okay, तो कैसे rule out करना, that's what we are learning here. So I know that a story based format question will come up in this, and the question will be कि एक person is going from A to C via B. तो बहुत सारी लंबी चीजें होंगी, conditions होगी, वो पहले they will not directly say that वो 3 ways से B जा सकता है. They will say that there is one way in which her school, like her daughter's school falls. There will be another way in which he can collect the like buy the vegetables, and there is another way जहाँ पे वो अपनी bicycle repair कर सकता है. That means ultimately they want to say कि हमारे ऐसे 3 routes होंगे which connects A and B. So there are 3 routes which connect A and B. Similarly, they will again lengthy like make the question lengthy by saying कि B से C जाने के लिए एक रूट है जहाँ कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है तो उसमें ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा, दूसरा रूट है जहाँ पे इट्स इजी बट इट्स लाइक वेरी क्राउडेड, तो उसमें भी टाइम लगने के चांसेस है, काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन. ओके, ultimately what information they want to give you is that there are only two ways to travel from B to C. ठीक है. Now over here we will see the question will be कि suppose rain हो गया, like unnecessary condition they will give you, because if they directly ask you what are the possible number of ways to travel from A to C via B, then you would be like, ma'am, I know this question. But the thing is that they'll not give it so easy, they'll give an unnecessary condition जो कि शायद आपकी क्वेश्चन से रिलेटेड भी नहीं होगा. लाइक वट एवर आई टोल्ड राइट नाउ, इफ यू रिमेम्बर कि एक वे में उसकी डॉटर का स्कूल है, एक में वेजिटेबल्स वो कलेक्ट कर सकता है, एक में बाईसाइकिल रिपेयर कर सकता है, एक में कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रहा है और एक काफी क्राउडेड रहता है. तो विल इट मेक अ डिफरेंस इफ आई से दैट देयर इज रेनफॉल और इट्स अ रेनी वेदर? नो. So they will ask, they will add something like that, that if it is raining outside, how many possible ways can you travel from A to C via B? See, this is the tricky part. अगर आप समझ गए कि this is the way the question will be asked, why would you get confused? So how many ways can you travel? 3 ways from here and 2 ways from here. Now this is the concept where I use and when I use and, I know what to do. I need to multiply and get 6 possible ways, not factorial. This is just an exclamation mark. Let me remove it. Okay, so how is it possible? Example, I travel like this, I travel like this, one way, I travel like this, I travel like this, two, I travel like this, I travel like this, three, and same happens for the bottom one also. So I know that it would be equals to 6 different ways. Very easy. Now, in the same question, आप और को कैसे introduce करोगे? That is an interesting part. So if you want to introduce or in this question, then the question will say कि आप खड़े हो B पे, you are standing at B and you have two options to travel. Either you can go to A or you can go to C. Now, when you have two options to travel, you know one thing very clearly. देखो यहाँ आता है common sense, and I know it is not very common, but still, if we are preparing for an esteemed institute like XLRI Jamshedpur, then we should actually increase our common sense levels. तो ये common sense है, ये कहीं पे भी even they will not write a or कि आप वहां से पकड़ पाओ कि okay I have to add or I have to multiply. ये common sense है कि अगर आप B पे हो then you can either go to A or go to C, right? Because दो अलग direction पे हैं, एक same person at the same time cannot travel both directions together at the same time. I focus on that. So this common sense you will apply and you will understand that this is the condition of or. So या तो I'll travel 3 ways towards A, otherwise I'll travel 2 ways towards C. So when it comes option, I would be adding. So 2 plus 3, 5 ways. So there are 5 ways in which a person can travel from point B either towards point A or towards point C. So this was a video on understanding how to use and or in your real-time questions on PNC and probability. I hope it was useful for you. If it was, then please like this video, share it with your friends. Now let this video reach more number of people, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and hit that bell icon, because I'll be up with more such videos every day, and I'll make sure कि at least in videos को refer करके there is some amount of betterment or increment in your present scores in your XAT marks. So because that is very close, Please target on these videos or these focused areas where you can really increase your marks in. All the best for your preparation, and until we meet again, thanks for watching and please take care.